Hey everyone, I want to talk to you real quick about fire ants and what the absolute best product out there is for controlling fire ants. I'll tell you up front, this is not something you can do yourself because this is a restricted product. So only licensed lawn care companies will be able to put it out, or pest control companies. But if you're wanting to control fire ants, this is what you need to ask for. If you use one of those service providers, it's something that has fipronil. Fipronil is the active ingredient. We use Top Choice. That's one brand of it. There's a number of different brands of fipronil, but that's what you need to look for, something with fipronil in it. The reason this product is so great is because it's not a bait, it's not a maltreatment, it's a broadcast application that takes care of ants for an entire year, fire ants for an entire year. You put it out, and wherever you put it out, it takes it a while to activate, 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes even 4 weeks, but once it's active, it will keep fire ants out of that area for an entire year. So it works really, really well. It's the best product out there for controlling fire ants. Right now is actually the best time to put it out. You can put it out any time of year and it will work. It just takes longer to activate different times of year. Right now, it's going to activate pretty quickly because of all the moisture we're having. So now's the best time to put it out. If you have fire ant problems, or you typically have fire ant problems and you want to make sure that you keep those out of your lawn, then call your service provider, ask for something with fipronil, and that's going to do the job for you. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, let us know. Thanks.